Side grafting in Populus angustifolia. For preparation of sign, select a branch of pencil thickness with approximately 4 to 5 buds. Trim the sign on both ends and cut equal wedges on both sides. For preparation of the rootstock, make a shallow incision along the side of the rootstock stem. This incision will create a flap. Insert the sign gently into the flap created in the rootstock. The incisions on both the sign and the rootstock must match up perfectly. Once the sign is inserted, secure the graft with a grafting tape. This will prevent contamination and also lock in moisture.